If you're looking for a free, secure, and reliable VPN for your Windows PC without installing any third-party software, this guide will show you exactly how to set it up. To get started, click the search icon on your taskbar and type Settings. Then, open the Settings app. From the menu on the left, click Network and Internet, then select VPN. On the VPN page, click the Add VPN button in the top right corner. A new window will appear where you'll need to enter the VPN details. For connection name, type VPN or any name you prefer. Next, open your web browser and visit vpngate.net. Scroll through the list of available servers and choose one with a high score for speed and quality. Copy the host name of the server you want to use. Go back to the VPN setup window and paste the host name into the server name or address field. For VPN type, open the drop-down menu and select Secure Socket Tunneling Protocol, SSTP. For type of sign-in info, leave it set to username and password. In the username field, type VPN. In the password field, also type VPN. Once everything is filled out, click Save. That's it. Your VPN profile has been created. Whenever you want to connect, click the network icon on the taskbar, select your VPN connection, and click Connect. After a few seconds, your Windows PC will be connected through a secure VPN. It's quick, easy, completely free, and doesn't require installing any additional software. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video,